I have unboxings lined up for you, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel. By the way, that was not the only box I was carrying, so that's why I am out of breath. Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I'm coming to you with an epic Chanel unboxing. I unboxed this one with you and I tell you all about my decision-making process, what took me so long, 2 years by the way, to make up my mind and finally get these shoes and from this particular brand, because I had other shoes and other brands in mind. I will talk about comfort and sizing and give you some styling ideas, so I really hope this video is helpful to you if you are thinking of getting any sandals really. Obviously I'm not going to unbox these babies on Instagram because I don't see the point of unboxing things on Instagram anymore somehow. Oh god. Oh my god, I can't believe I have these shoes in my wardrobe. This is like a dream. To be honest with you, I was so excited yesterday, I couldn't even sleep. Oh god. I know maybe this is not a big deal to many people, but to me it is, because 2 years, it took me 2 years. Oh my god, oh my god. Why 2 years, you ask yourself? Because of the price, man. I mean, the price of these is not even real. And you know what? First time I saw them, I know these are not everyone's cup of tea. I'm aware of that, but I love them, obviously. And if you don't love them, don't share your opinion with me, because I don't want to know it. I love them. I fell in love with them right away, so I didn't need any adjusting time to these kind of shoes. So I love them from the first sight. The only thing that stopped me from buying them was the price. And once I got my head around the price, they had another price increase. And it took me another year to get my head around the new price. If you have watched a few of my videos, if you have watched me on Instagram, you know, I really wanted to get a pair of chunky sandals. I looked into branded and off-branded sandals, and none of them, I mean, there were many beautiful ones out there, I have to admit. I was so close to keeping a pair by the Row. I have a video on those shoes, I will link it up here. And I ended up even ordering those shoes again because I just couldn't get them out of my head. Do you know this feeling, you know? And I ordered them again, this time in smooth leather, because I was hoping they were more comfortable. Long story short, I had them on for 10-20 minutes around the house just to see how I get along with them. And then I knew, no, these shoes are not for me. They were comfortable weirdly on my right, but on my left I had really bad pain. So I went through a lot of trouble to get those shoes and try them again. I just wanted to have this peace of mind, you know. Before I pulled the plug for these shoes, by the way, those sandals, they were on sale, but still I didn't let the price affect me. I really like those. The look of those is just beautiful, but not comfortable. Anyway, not for me at least. The idea of having a pair of luxury sandals, especially luxury sandals, for me is having beautiful shoes in which you feel like a princess. I know no princess would wear these kind of shoes, but you know what I mean. I feel like a princess in these, and not that I like to feel like a princess. Anyway, I feel really good in these. And the idea is wearing shoes that you love, you adore, and feeling comfortable. This is the way to go, right? If you have these shoes, let me know what did you do with the sole. The sole is leather. Should I have them a rubber sole? But let me know soon because I can't wait any longer. I need to wear them outside. Maybe I should also tell you how many times I went to the Chanel store to try these shoes. Maybe it's a bit embarrassing. I don't know. I mean, it's a lot of money. You have to be sure about them, right? So I went to the Chanel store for this particular model 5 times. The first 2 times I went in to see them in a suede, and then I told my SA that I would like to see them in caviar leather and with champagne gold or with silver hardware. And a couple of weeks later she contacted me and said that they are here, I can come and see them. So I went in, tried these next to the tweed version of this, and but I was not in the, to be honest with you, I was not in the best mindset because something has happened and I was actually quite sad when I went to the store. I am not an emotional shopper. I need to be centered, happy, content to be able to make a good decision basically. If I'm sad or occupied with some thoughts, I can't go shopping. I don't like shopping in that in that state of mind. So I waited, we went on vacation, we came back, and then I wanted really to show these to my husband as well. So I thought we just go in and ask if they still have them, and if they don't, then you know, bad luck, and if they have them, we try them. I try them. So I went in, I saw them, and actually, to be honest with you, my husband gave me a push and he said I should get them because they are made for me, and he's right. Maybe he was fed up with me talking about these shoes all the time. We never know. Anyway, after 5 times going to the store, after 2 years of contemplating, I decided to go with these. And the main reason was, of course, I love the design, but also they are extremely comfortable for me. And you know, because these shoes come with champagne gold or almost actually silver hardware, they are so versatile for me. I wouldn't say they are understated, to be honest. At first I was convinced I want these sandals to be in black hardware because, you know, it is understated. I tried similar sandals without no embellishment and just in black. And this is basically what you see with Chanel Dad sandals with black hardware. The hardware is really understated, and you only would recognize them if you look really close. And they are beautiful. I love them, and I was convinced, as I mentioned before, I want them. But then trying similar shoes, because my feet are big, rather big, I am size 42, they didn't look good on me at all. They didn't look flattering, or they didn't look good on me. I didn't like them, to be honest with you. So then I knew, okay, the pearls were too much, even though the pearls were actually quite beautiful. Too much, but a little bit embellishment would do me well and look good on my rather big feet. And that's why I decided to give up on the idea of having these shoes with a black hardware. With what I have on, I mean, match made in heaven. And let me tell you, I will wear these shoes until they are broken, until they give up. I'm not sure if they will go out of style anytime soon, and even if they go out of style, I will wear them. I can see myself wearing these shoes at the age of 80 and still looking really cool with these shoes. I always admire women at advanced age wearing beautiful clothes and caring about what they put on. And I really aspire to be one of those women one day, taking care of my body and putting on nice clothes regardless of my age. And yes, off track, sorry. But yes, I can see myself wearing these shoes at a very advanced age, and I love the look of them. They are very comfortable, and because this is leather here, you know, the footbed is made out of leather, smooth leather. I can imagine that these shoes will mold into your feet and take on the shape of your feet and get really even more comfortable as they are. And about the trend, because many people are concerned that these shoes will go out of trend, I don't care. This is my answer, I don't care. I mean, I love trend, this is no question about that. But with these kind of shoes, because I have always loved chunky shoes, I will always love them, and I will wear them, as I mentioned before, at a very advanced age as well, because they are comfortable and they allow me to wear them. In terms of sizing, I think Chanel shoes in general run too small, and I have tried so many Chanel shoes, let me tell you that. I think these dad sandals are the first Chanel shoes that are true to size. And I have rather narrow feet, and I think they are very comfortable. And of course, because of the Velcro straps, they are very easy to adjust to your feet. Oh God, these are, I don't know. I don't know what, I mean, I know what took me so long to buy these shoes because of the price. Now having them, I think they are worth it for me, because there were other very beautiful sandals that I was thinking of getting to fill the gap for these sandals. And at the end of the day, I think I would have spent more money on sandals just to fill the gap for these sandals. So I thought, why not going right away for the real deal and buying the piece that I really loved in the first place, right? So this is basically me justifying the price for these shoes. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, and I will see you soon on my next one when I unbox. Oh God, this is massive and heavy box. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon. Bye bye.